Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. These are two of the cattleyas that I divided from the original plant, and it's been getting kind of difficult to keep up with the watering on these. They're a little wrinkled, the pseudobulbs there. Been trying to keep up, but it just dries out real quick. And still no flowers, so definitely need to, I don't know, the window they're in is, you know, the sun is getting higher in the sky, and it's pretty bright southern facing window, but and I've been fertilizing, but they just do not flower. So I know they're a lot more difficult than the Phalaenopsis, but let's go take a look at the Phalaenopsis because it's flowering again. And here it is. Just one large flower spike on it, but I just turned this around. It was normally the flower spike was up against the window, and I can't put those two cattleyas back the way this is positioned because the leaves are in the way. But this is the third cattleya plant. This bunch here is like, probably could split this in half. This is probably the longest length of the original, I think, cattleya. So no flowers again, but this Phalaenopsis now is consistently flowering, and you know that I like to have the flower spike just drooping over like that instead of having it straight up. And you can see, I want to turn this around after the video because all these roots here are usually not that much exposed to the sun, and so they would quickly dry out. But this leaf here looks like it might not be around that much longer, but I don't know how long a leaf survives on an orchid. Seem to last a long time. These aren't as plump as I'd like them to be, that they usually are. I don't know why this. I have the contact paper there for frosting on the window, but I guess it still gets kind of warm here. And I've got the humidity tray. I've just filled that up. I just have some old aquarium gravel on the bottom of that. And I usually have the humidifier going, but I haven't fired up the humidifier this year. I did have the what's that exotic fruit tree? The name escapes me. Next to it, and it had scale on it, and somehow some of the scale had jumped onto my Phalaenopsis here. I think I caught it. You know, there was just a couple under these leaves, and that sticky residue is always gives you a heads up, and I don't see any more. But yeah, it had transferred to the Phalaenopsis, and I think I got it all. But never had a problem with scale before on the Phalaenopsis here, so now that I'm talking about it, make sure I don't see anything underneath these leaves. Nope. I think there's something right there. Yeah, there's one right there. Okay, got that guy. And I think that's it there. Yeah, so, yeah. Let's take a look at the flowers on this. Had this Phalaenopsis for probably 20 years now. So that's a quick update on the orchids I have, and no luck with the the cattleyas. The cattleyas I've had probably 4 years now, and the only time I've had a flower on it is when it arrived with a flower spike on it, or flower on it from when I purchased it off of eBay. So this is New England Gardening. Today's February 27th, 2019. My mom would always point out when she thought I needed to take a look at the orchids if they needed to be watered, and she always got a kick out of the flowers on this Phalaenopsis. So this is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching.